With this sample, I want to show you the difference between increasing at the end, at the very last stitch, and increasing in the second stitch from the end. So as you can see, I prefer this one, it's much neater. But when you increase in the very end stitch, it kind of looks a bit distorted. It's pulling and curved. So I'll show you exactly what I mean. So this end is increasing, this side is increasing in the end stitch. So 1, 2, then into the next one, and work to the end of the row, in this case double crochet. I'm using Australian terms because that's where I'm from. Nearly at the end of the row. So now I increase in the second stitch from the end, not the last. So I make 2 in this one and just work the last stitch normally as you would. So that's the second, and that's increasing in the very end stitch. As you can see the difference.